Hey y'all, welcome back to Vlogmas Day 16. Tonight is all about slowing down and getting cozy. It's been a long week already. So I'm treating myself to the softest, warmest, calmest night routine. Let's unwind together. First things first, rest in peace, Uncle Phil. For real, you the only father that I ever knew. Anyway, first things first, the vibes have to be right. Lights on, candle lit, and switching into my comfiest clothes. Instant mood shift. Before relaxing, I decided to reset my space just a little bit. Nothing crazy, just a quick tidy to make everything feel peaceful. Because when your space is clean, your mind is clear, and you can really sit back and relax. And for me, that's perfect because as soon as I'm done relaxing, I'm going to bed. Skincare used to be one of my favorite parts of my routine, but now I'm just like, what can I do to get it done quickly and efficiently and maintain beautiful skin? But it does make me feel refreshed and ready to slow down, and it's good practice to get that makeup off of my face before I go to bed. So sometimes I'm lazy with just the wipe, and sometimes I will do the right thing and wash my face and do the whole routine. And I actually did it tonight, and I'm glad because my skin feels refreshed, renewed, and moisturized. Tonight, I'm making a cozy little chai latte, actually a vanilla chai latte, to warm up and sip on while I finish winding down. And a warm drink is the perfect way to get cozy and in the mood to relax for the night. I'm ending the night with something relaxing, nothing productive, nothing stressful, just something that brings me peace. And I rarely get to sit and watch what I want. So tonight, I'm watching a few YouTube videos that have been on my watch list. Thank you for spending a cozy night with me. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe before you go. And I'll see you back tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 17. Good night.